Can Jamaica Broilers recover from their massive loss? I'm Kalila from Money Media giving you money news for the Caribbean. Jamaica Broilers, best known for Best Dressed Chicken, recently released its audited financials for 2025 and it is not pretty. The company reported a net loss of 7.2 billion Jamaican dollars. That's about 45 million USD. Now the Jamaican operations, that's Best Dressed Chicken, High Pro, etc., actually made a profit of $2.5 billion, but that was entirely wiped out by the U.S. operations, which reported a loss of $9.1 billion. Now, if you've been following this story, then you know JBG ordered a forensic audit into its U.S. operations after they found several issues related to expense management and operational control. The preliminary report highlighted accounting irregularities. This would affect several line items, including inventories and biological assets, aka live chickens. That triggered a large restatement of numbers for multiple periods, a massive write-down of goodwill and assets, and ultimately a negative equity position, meaning their liabilities are higher than their assets. Now, this news couldn't come at a worse time. Hurricane Melissa has already put immense pressure on Jamaica's food industry. So when one of the island's largest providers of poultry gets a massive hit like this, it only intensifies the problem. Prices are already going up because of the storm. Now this? As for my earlier question, can Jamaica Broilers recover? The company says it can. CEO Chris Levy put out a statement reassuring investors that these financials were due to extraordinary one-off conditions. He said they've already implemented changes and new procedures to ensure it doesn't happen again. Remember, they fired the entire U.S. management team. Within 2 weeks of Jamaican executives taking over, the chicken processing plant yield grew from 56% to 62%. The company also said it's working closely with its lenders and financial institutions to manage debt and liabilities. They're doing weekly cash flow forecasting and cost controls. Despite the group's grim numbers, JBG stressed that the Jamaican arm is stable. They say the company has solid market fundamentals, a loyal customer base, and a track record of recovering from industry-wide disruptions. Since the start of the year, JBG stock is down 52%. It closed trading at $17.26 on November 17, and that's the bottom line. So, what do you think of this latest JBG update? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn how to invest in companies like Jamaica Broilers and take advantage of price dips, go to investingforbeginnersja.com. The link is in my bio. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.